To start the lacing process, push the loop from one tent top through the grommet hole of the other. Do this again with the next loop, but once you push it through the grommet hole, pull it through the previous loop from before. Snap the closures and close the rain flap as you progress outward. Repeat this down the line so that the two tops are laced together. Once you are at the end, lace the last 2 or 3 loops backwards and tie off the connecting loops.
So this is an important part when you get to the tent, when you get it all sewed together in sectionals, okay? So this is what holds all the pieces together. So you want to make sure that your tent is obviously clipped and stitched. Mark, if you wouldn't mind holding that up for me. So you enter through the first hole. Then on the back side, you have your first canvas grommet. Now when you get those two pieces in, sometimes you have to angle your pole in order to meet the other grommet and get it in to all sections so that when the canvas is tied down, it's all tied down together and that it won't pop off of the pole itself. I know for our tents, for tent and table specifically, your lace side is always on the bottom, your grommet side is always on the top, and that's typically the way that you want the end section to be. So when you want to do the ratchet straps on any of your larger tents, in our personal preference, it's always best to run the strap through the ratchet and always bring it back towards yourself and the canvas. That way, when you pull, you can get the most amount of tension out of it. Crank the tent down. And then if we were in a finishing aspect, you could always bring the access strap up, tie it off, and then that way it always looks flush for the customer. There's no twists, there's no bends, there's no nothing like that, which is especially great during wedding events, higher end venues, or even most backyard parties.